Take a look at this great pressure cleaning system we have in shop here at Blue Tongue Industries. It's a KSteel TS series. Take a look at the pump. This particular system is 15 amp at 1500 PSI. Designed for heavy industrial use. A big key factor being low RPM at only 1450 compared to other systems in this range. Long-term longevity of this particular system is going to be many, many years. As you can hear there, a key feature, the delayed shut-off. So we don't have the unloader valve unloading when we're reducing startup current of that particular system. Many different genres: car washing, fleet washing, car yards, industrial use. This Commet KSteel TS series pressure cleaning system. You can see systems like this and many other systems on our website, a couple of different websites, onyxsystems.com.au. Check out the pressure cleaning page. Main parent company, bluetongueindustries.com.au. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.